silver bowl, and I have some glitter. But me and my mom picked it up from Target, so me and my dad are making slime. So this is my dad.
What up, y'all?
Can you get a little more excited?
I am excited. What do you expect? I mean, I've been working all day, but hey, I'm happy to be here.
The glue.
And this, look at that, look fumbling all over the place.
Yep.
This is the magical liquid.
So this one's for Daddy, and yeah.
So I get a glue, the magical glue. Wait, hold on a second. How you know I don't want pink?
No, you don't.
I don't want pink, but you could have asked. Oh, how about you take the whole top off? See, then you'll be squeezing that forever, and your hands will get tired, and then you get a cramp, and then you can't stir. You're like, what am I gonna do? So this has glitter in it already, huh?
Yeah, but we're gonna add some extra glitter.
Shake it a little bit. Shake and squeeze.
Ew, I almost got some on me.
Yeah, I know.
Can you help me?
It's already slimy. We haven't even made the slime. This glue is slimy, isn't it?
Yeah, can you help me? It sounds like a pig noise.
Boink, boink.
Yeah, Daddy.
Alright, I think this is all.
So make sure you always have an adult when you're doing this. Well, my dad has a great idea. Daddy, I got it. Okay, thank you.
So what are we doing? No. What do the instructions say? It says, so we put the glue in, and we put 2 teaspoons
2 teaspoons
of the magical liquid and mix well of Elmer's magical liquid. Other one, ready? Mix it like this, you see? You're just gonna be
Yours is coming together, Daddy.
Gradually, as we keep stirring it.
I feel it.
Stir it up, little darling. Stir it up.
Can you help me? Because yours is like coming together so well.
Oh,
Yeah.
being nice. There you go.
Thank
Keep stirring.
Stirring.
Some more to mine too.
Okay, guys, let's see. Guys, comment down below if you think if you think Daddy's slime is better than mine.
Oh,
it looks better.
no. We're not even done yet. We gotta get through this. It's like, and then we stir in the magical until it becomes harder to mix and the slime begins to form. So.
It's harder to mix for me.
Okay, so are we at the point yet? No, I think I gotta put just a little bit more in. How about you? Yeah, because it's still sticking in there.
It's so hard.
Now you take it out of your hand, now you almost need it.
Okay, Daddy, is it about ready that I should dump my slime on the counter? Like,
It's almost, is it still sticking to the mallet or is it, or to the spatula?
Mix it. Daddy, mix it for me, and see if I'm ready to dump it out.
You gotta put some more in there.
So the first time we made slime, it was a total fail. The second time we made slime it was just so puffy. I forgot what we
Yeah,
put
it
in that
lasted for a
slime.
long time. It was good.
We made it 1 year ago.
Almost, yeah. Almost a year ago. Yeah, the thing is, this one sticks to your hands a little bit more, doesn't it?
Yeah. I just can't lift it. Quiet for right now, because I need it, hear this sound. You hear it?
That's not a good reason to be quiet anyways.
Yes,
I can hear the sound.
It feels weird.
So now, as you can see, it comes out just a little bit more firm. Doesn't stick to the hands as much.
Yeah.
We've been playing with slime since back.
Stop talking like a cowboy.
Oh, it's like an old man.
Stop talking like an old man. You're not an old man.
Oh, it's gonna drop. It's gonna drop. It's gonna drop. No, that part. Get the top part. Get the top part. Get the top part. No, grab the top part. Come on. I got a tissue. Give me a tissue.
Thank you for watching the video.
And
like and subscribe if you want to have more